also super excited. Super excited. You guys already know for what. You guys already know. We're gonna get ready right now and go to the swap meet at the Aloha Stadium. It's literally like 5 minutes, 10 minutes from here. It's been a great trip so far. I love it, and we'll see you guys at the swap meet. My beautiful's gonna get ready. Oh, forget it. Babe, tell everybody how much fun you're having. So we just got to the swap meet. It's actually like super duper popping. Like, it's a swap meet around like a stadium, and like it wraps around the whole stadium. Like, it's freaking huge. Like, there's like so many vendors here, it's like nuts.
You know you're only showing my big ass head, right?
Yeah.
They can't see nothing because you showed my big ass head.
Well, if you want to help a brother out with the vlog, that'd be great. If you want to, you know, take some shots. So my beautiful woman right here is not about this vlogging life. She's a little nervous. So she's nervous to just sit here and talk to the camera. But it's okay though. She'll break out of that. It's all good.
Okay, so
got my woman some fruit. How's it taste? It's correct? It's better pineapple in the States?
Yep. But it has blood on it, remember?
Yeah. The pineapple here has blood on it. So, back in the day, I'll tell you guys.
God, here you go.
I'll tell you guys about the massive failure we just endured. Online it says that the hike for Diamond Head, they let the last hiker in at 4 o'clock. So it is now what, 1 o'clock here?
No, it's 2 o'clock.
Okay, 2 o'clock. And we get here, and Hannah's like, we're closed. I'm like, bruh. So they let the last hiker in at 12 o'clock, and the last person's got to be on the trail by pretty much now. So everybody's pretty much already gone. Like, there's still like tour buses and shit coming up here because everybody thinks that the last person that could come in is at 4. A little communication goes a long way, but I'm not gonna throw a mainland fit here. So I'm just a little upset though. Like, she wanted to do this hike, so I'm kind of pissed off, but it's whatever. We're gonna go to Coco Head, which the hike is a little bit harder supposedly. It's literally like 1,000 steps just up a gnarly incline. We'll probably get better views of Diamond Head since we're gonna be on the top over there. So because our little adventure to Diamond Head failed, we decided to come to Coco Head, which is it's about the same distance, but it's fucking a lot steeper. It's literally a full fucking walk up the mountain. Starts right here and you walk all the way to the top. I don't know if she's ready for it. I don't know if I'm ready for it, but
I'm already sweating.
she's already burnt. But I know she's a champ inside.
Shit.
How we're gonna live, who knows? We're not even a quarter of the way there, and the views are pretty legit. So, everybody, today is our last day in Hawaii. We're on our way to Kualoa Ranch. Pretty much we're gonna take an ATV in the middle of the mountains. It's gonna be amazing for us. And then right after that, we're more than likely either gonna go back to Lanikai Beach walk out to. If I'm correct, I'm pretty sure my woman has never ridden a quad, so she's more than likely gonna freak out. I think she'll be alright. Should be alright. Your chariot, mi amor.
I'm gonna need your help turning this thing on because I always forget.
Oh, I always turn it on, girl. Alright, so in the middle, neutral, press the button, hold the button. Let it go. Now give yourself a thumbs up. Yee! So a lot of our guides, they have their like handheld dinosaurs.
And they're like props.
Yeah, but we had like a little video shot of us, like slow-mo, where we're running away from like the hand puppet. Actually a very well thought out production. It's gonna be in the vlog. So we just finished with our tour, but we're all dirty and shot out.
Yeah, we're all sweaty and dirty and dusty and sticky and
What's your favorite part?
it was worth the money.
For a 2-hour ride through the mountains of Hawaii, definitely recommend. And Kualoa Ranch, recommended as well. There's more than one. There's a zip line, this, and you can do the horseback riding too. But last time we horseback rided, I got headbutted in the face by
Horses don't like him.
by a horse, so we opted for the ATV. So we are finally gonna get my beautiful her Dole Whip. We didn't end up going to the Dole plantation because we don't contribute to blood money, so we're gonna come to a little mom and pop Angel ice cream spot. Moment of truth. Here we go. So sweet. It's super sweet. But you know what? That's how their pineapples are here. They're like freaking insanely sweet. What's up, guys? So what you're about to see is my attempt of trying to get engaged to Daisy. My plan originally was to show her this video in Hawaii, and then after the video was over, have her turn around and I'll be down on one knee, and then this happened. You'll see. So cool! Oh, fuck! Oh, that was amazing! 25! Ah! So my love right here had a craving for nachos. We were not gonna buy a tiny little plate at a restaurant for $20. So we're gonna go to a place that we know that has a gnarly plate of nachos, which is Le Yard Home.
Hi, how can I help you?
Two?
Yeah.
Now y'all know I had to fucks with my half yard. I do not play when it comes to Yard House. And it's not happy hour either. I always get a half yard on happy hour. But not today. I still got it. What you drinking on, sweetie pie?
Some water.
Some cool water? Yeah, look at you double fisting también. Alright guys, so as you can see, I pretty much failed at my first marriage proposal, but stay tuned for the next one where it actually went through and it went good. But thank you guys for watching. Just stay tuned and comment, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching our vlogs. I appreciate it.